Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of July. And first of all, national news. BYJU'S founder broke down in tears as crisis engulfed EdTech startup. GYANVAPI MOSQUE survey pushed back as High Court seeks clarifications. Kerala announced reservation for transgender students in nursing courses. Indian High Commission in London issued alert over fraud calls to members. In my third term, India will be one of world's top 3 economies, PM Modi. MAHADAYI Water Disputed Tribunal got one more year to submit report. After gold coins, cops accused of stealing silver in Madhya Pradesh. Delhi announced 4 dry days in 8 weeks due to Independence Day festivals. Number of orphan abandoned children rose by 25% since 2020 center. India's digital infrastructure centered around public interest, Meta executive Nick Clegg. Take on action or notice to MOSQUEs for encroachment, High Court to railways. Now international news. EXPAT salaries in Saudi Arabia highest in the world, a survey said. US President's son Hunter Biden in court to plead guilty to tax offenses. Big upgrade happening. India can play key role. Scientists on Large Hadron Collider. Now sports news. Indian hockey teams aim for Paris Olympics berth via Hangzhou Asian Games. Japan and Rampant Spain rolled into Women's World Cup last 16. Indian football team got exemption from ministry, will participate in Asian Games. DEODHAR Trophy, Mayank Agarwal made 98 as South Zone beat West Zone. England retained James Anderson in unchanged 11th for Ashes finale. Now business related news. Punjab National Bank Q1 profit surge 4-fold to rupees 1,255 crore. Axis Bank Q1 net profit rose 40% to rupees 5,797 crore. News related to science. Florida ocean recorded unprecedented temperatures similar to a hot tub. NASA shared dazzling shot of cosmic necklace located 15,000 light years away. And that's all in news. Thank you.